Good day, listener. There's an update on the Supreme Court of Nigeria. They are saying that they will deliver the judgment on the cases brought before it by the Labour Party and its presidential candidate Peter Obi, as well as those of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and its presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar against the All Progressives Congress (APC) and its candidate President Bola Tinubu on Thursday, on the 26th of October. Nigerians are asking why the haste. Instead of November that it was slated for, the Supreme Court has fast-tracked the date, and they are going to give the judgment on the 26th of October. Both the presidential candidates of the Labour Party and the PDP are challenging the ruling of the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, that is the PPT, which had upheld the declarations of President Tinubu as the winner of the February 2023 presidential election. The judgment date was confirmed by all parties involved on Wednesday, and its last sitting on Monday. The Apex Court reserved judgment filed by Atiku and the PDP against the verdict of the Presidential Election Petition Court, which affirmed Tinubu's victory in the February 25th presidential poll. A 7-member panel of the court, led by Justice Iyo Okoro, announced on Monday after counsels to parties adopted their briefs of argument and made final submissions. The Apex Court also took arguments from lawyers to parties on the motion filed by Atiku to supply fresh evidence on forged documents. Counsel to Atiku Abubakar, Mr. Chris Uche, urged the court to grant the motion and allow their appeal, grant the prayers sought, and disqualify Tinubu. Counsels to the respondent, Abubakar Mahmood for the Independent National Electoral Commission, Wole Olanikpeku for President Tinubu, and Akin Olujimi for the All Progressives Congress (APC) urged the court to dismiss both the motion and appeal for lacking merit. There are insinuations that the court has decided to shift the date for the judgment because the FBI criminal files of the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will be released soonest on the 30th of October. There are reports from investigative journalists that the Supreme Court is trying to evade the criminal document of the FBI so that it cannot be tendered in court. That is why the judgment that is slated for November has been shifted closer to October 26th so as to beat the date that the files by FBI will be released. However, the president, through its lawyer, tried blocking the release of the FBI and CIA files with other agencies on Tinubu's criminal records, but to no avail. They failed. After that, the next step was to shift the date of the judgment. This may imply that whatever evidence that is going to come out from the FBI and CIA document would not be admissible in court after the Supreme Court has given its judgment. What it implies is that justice may be denied because the Supreme Court seems to be working hand in hand with INEC and also the defendant on making it very difficult for the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to face charges, the criminal record charges from the FBI and also the CIA. It's unfortunate if this is the case.